Well, here we are. We are at the end of the conference programming. Thank you so much for being with us for the last 3 days. I hope it has been a fantastic and worthwhile experience. I hope that you've been inspired by the success stories of your fellow travelers. I hope you have learned things that help you in your own journey. I hope that you've had meaningful and mutually exothermic interactions with your colleagues and peers, and that you've been given even more evidence that the work you are doing matters to people who matter. And of course, I hope you had fun too. So that gets us to the question that I always have some trepidation around, which is, was this the best DevOps Enterprise Summit that you've attended? This is ultimately the measure that we measure ourselves on in terms of us achieving our programming objectives, and I sure hope the answer is yes. So I want to first thank all the speakers. Thank you for teaching us what we need to know to get from here to there. I want to thank the programming committee. I'm so grateful for all the work of this group of people. Everything that you've seen here for the past 8 years is a result of their work. Like you, we all have our goals and aspirations, and the programming committee brings that to the program objectives that are hopefully advanced by this event. We meet weekly and we talk about what we want to achieve in this conference, and we go through everything required to make sure that every submission gets at least 2 reviews, and all these amazing sessions that you saw here today were a result of the judgment of this amazing group of people. Thank you to the conference operations team. That is Aaron Mazalewski, the Gaiwan team. That's Arna, Mitesh, Alice, and Lawrence. All the things that can go wrong in an online conference, this is a group that protects you from it, whether it's DNS errors, API rate limits, streaming problems, SSL certificates, and so much more. So for us to create this programming and bring it to you is made possible by this team. But of course, it takes a much larger team than that. And I want you to know that I have found the experience of creating this virtual DevOps Enterprise Summit series so rewarding, and I've learned so much about doing them over the last 2 years. It has been perhaps the wildest learning journey in my career, and thank you to the entire IT Revolution team that has made it possible. So I want to thank my boss and my wife. That's Marguerite Kim, Molly Coyne, Ann Perry, Alex Broderick-Forster, Aaron Mazalewski, Anna, Leah, and Diana, and of course my buddy and co-MC Jeff Gallimore. I want to say thank you to Launch Darkly and all our other sponsors. So here's the help that I am looking for. Feedback is love. Tell us about what you loved about the conference, and any ideas on how to make it better, please post them in the Slack channel Summit Stories. If you have a CEO who loves the work that you do in terms of how your work advances the most important goals of the organization, please email me. We would love to feature you in a future conference. If you have any ideas or want to help this community interact outside of the conference, please let me know. And my congratulations and my kudos go to James Moverly and Nick Eggleston for helping encourage experimentation on this front. You can always email me at genek@itrevolution.com. I want to close with one announcement. We hope to see all of you at the DevOps Enterprise Summit US as we return to live events that will be in Las Vegas from October 18th to the 20th later this year. We have something so special for you planned. So with that, let me turn it over to Jeff.